Welcome to Economics Question Answer Discussion Series. In this series, I discuss only that economics question answer which are mostly asked in interview and as well as in competitive exams. So I have no need to more tell about this series because you know the importance of this series when you attend my lecture. So now I am going to start my lecture. Today my first question is, what is economics? Economics is a study of how goods and services are produced and how they delivered. Means how goods and services are produced and how they delivered is called economics. So next question, how many branches of economics? Two branches of economics. First one is microeconomics, second one is macroeconomics. So next question, word macro driven from which language? Word micro driven from Greek language, it means small. So next question, what is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics means study of economy as a whole. So next question, what is barter system? In barter system, we exchange one commodity with another commodity. Is called barter system. So next, what is closed economy? A economy where import and export are not free is called closed economy. So next question, what is free economy? A economy where import and export are free is called free economy. So next question, cooperative society registered under Cooperative Society Act 1925. So next question, partnership business registered under Partnership Act 1932. So next question is, tell the minimum and maximum partner in partnership business. So minimum partner in partnership business is 2 and maximum partner limit in partnership business is 20. So next question is, tell the minimum and maximum limit of member in private limited company. So minimum member in private limited company is 2 and maximum limit of member in private limited company is 50. So next one, company ordinance is 1984. Means what is company ordinance? Company ordinance is 1984. So next question is, tell the limit minimum member in public limited company. Minimum member in public limited company is 7. So maximum member in public limited company is no limit. Minimum is 7 and maximum no limit. So next question is, tell the factor of production. How many factor of production? So 4 factor of production. First one is land, labor, capital and organization. So next question is, demand is a function of price. So next question, if price and total revenue move in same direction, then demand is inelastic. When price and revenue is move in same direction, then demand is inelastic. So next question, a horizontal demand curve has price elasticity of infinity. So next question, supply curve will shift when supply curve will shift when technology change. So next question, if price change 1% and supply change 2%, then supply is elastic. Mean price change 1% and supply change 2%, then supply is elastic. So next question, supply of commodity. Supply of commodity means willing to sell a certain commodity. Supply of commodity means willing to sell a certain commodity. So next question, price of product. Price of product is determined in free market. Price of product is determined in free market through demand and supply. So next question, demand and supply curve across at any point. Demand and supply curve cross at any point. So next question, the transformation of resources into economic goods and services is called, mean the transformation of resources into economic goods and services is called production. So next question is, limited liability is an advantage of which business? Means limited liability is an advantage of which business? It is an advantage of joint stock company. Limited liability is an advantage of joint stock company. So next है public limited company is run by board of director. Means who run public limited company is a public limited company is run by board of directors. So next question, when they expand their business by selling share in stock market, who sell their business by selling their share in stock market? So joint stock company expand business through selling share in stock market. Joint stock company expand their business by selling share in stock market. So next question, reward of which factor is not predetermined? Reward of which factor is not predetermined? So organization reward is not predetermined. So next question is, a person who contributes fund in partnership but does not take active part in management of business is called, means a person who contribute fund in business but do not take part in management of business is called which partner? Is called sleeping partner. Means sleeping partner contribute fund in business but do not take part in a management of business is called sleeping partner. So which business is not compulsory for registration? Sole proprietorship business is not compulsory for registration. So next question is, productivity means ability to produce. So my next and last question is, name of profit earn on debenture is called? Means what is the name of profit which earn on debenture is called interest. Interest is a name of profit who earn on debenture. So that's question I discuss today, and also you watch my first lecture. In first lecture I also discuss question, and you watch this lecture and first lecture, so that you complete take this series, and you share this lecture with your friend so that they also take advantage. So you watch this lecture again and again so that you keep remember the answer of these questions. So hopefully you watch this lecture and share with friend. So thank you, and so keep in touch for more lectures.